Okay, first up we have lot W170. It's a 1956 Ford Custom Line sedan. This car is powered by a professionally rebuilt Jasper 292 V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. It has 70,046 miles on the odometer. It also has air conditioning and cruise control. And the highest bid is $10,000. Next up we have lot W270, and it's a 1947 Studebaker Commander. This one's powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine paired up with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. This Studebaker still has the 6-volt electrical system and has brand new white wall tires. It has the light blue exterior finish and the gray and brown interior. And the highest bid is $5,500. Lot W108 is a 1947 Plymouth Special Deluxe sedan. This car is powered by a 218 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. And this one sold for $16,500. Lot W109 is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird convertible. This car is powered by a 312 cubic inch V8 engine with 800 miles since rebuild, paired up with an automatic transmission. This beauty was repainted in 2024 in the correct color of Star Mist Blue. The electrical system was converted to 12 volts. And this car sold for $18,700. Next up is lot W115. It's a 1963 Mercury Monterey hardtop. And this one's showing 39,658 miles on the odometer. She's powered by a Z-Code 390 cubic inch V8 engine rebuilt under prior ownership, paired up with an automatic transmission. Highest bid is $5,000. Lot W117 is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird convertible. This one's powered by the 312 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. The owner notes that the car was garage kept since 2006. This one sold for $13,750. Lot W124 is a 1964 Oldsmobile Jetstar 88 convertible. This Olds is powered by a 330 cubic inch, 245 horsepower V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. This is one of 3,903 Jetstar 88 convertibles produced in 1964. The highest bid is $13,000. Next up is lot W97, which is a 1974 Volkswagen Thing. This one's powered by a 1.6 liter inline 4-cylinder engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And the highest bid is $16,000. Lot W112.1 is a 1967 Volkswagen Bugatti Type 35 replica. This car is powered by a Fiat 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This car is built on a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle chassis. This one sold for $11,000. Lot W44 is a 1989 Ford Mustang GT convertible. This is one of 815 originally built with this paint and trim code combination. This car was recently repainted and the white original convertible top was replaced by a black top. Highest bid is $10,000. Lot W38 is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta. The odometer reads 25,403 miles. And this one's powered by a V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. And the highest bid is $12,000. Lot T111 is a 1950 Cadillac Series 61 Coupe, and this one is powered by a 331 cubic inch, 160 horsepower V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. This is a real nice clean interior. And the highest bid is $17,000. Lot T129 is a 1964 Buick Riviera. This one is powered by a 425 cubic inch, 340 horsepower V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. The interior is patterned cloth and vinyl upholstery with bucket seats and center console. And this one sold for $15,950. Lot T130 is a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Silver Anniversary Coupe. This car is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a automatic transmission and a 308 posi traction rear end. This car has the Silver Anniversary exterior color and an oyster interior. And this car sold for only $9,900. Lot T145 is a 1947 Ford Super Deluxe convertible. This car is powered by a 239 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. This car has a new tan vinyl convertible top, restored chrome including bumpers, grille, bumper guards, body trim, and gravel shields. And the highest bid is $20,000. Next up is lot T164. It's a 1985 Buick Regal T-Type. And this is powered by a turbocharged 3.8 liter V6 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. And this is one of 2,102 Buick Regal T-Types produced in 1985. And the highest bid is $17,000. Lot T150 is a 1960 Buick Electra Coupe. This one is powered by a 401 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. The body is wrapped in a chalet blue and white with a turquoise interior. And this one sold for $14,300. Lot T166 is a 1962 Ford Galaxy 500 XL convertible. This one's powered by a Z-Code 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. And the highest bid on this one is $17,000. Lot T174 is a 1930 Ford Model A Custom Roadster. This one is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. The fiberglass body is covered with Guard's red paint. And here's a good shot of the B&M supercharger. And the highest bid is $15,000. Lot T176 is a 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This car is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. The body is wrapped in a red metallic paint with a white Landau roof. This one sold for $15,950. Okay, this is the last one for today. This is Lot 184. It's a 1963 Ford Falcon Futura convertible. And this one's powered by a modified 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired up with an automatic transmission. This has a power-operated convertible top. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And here you can see the Edelbrock dual 4-barrel carburetors. And this one sold for $13,200.